Forget ordinary trucks. Get ready to explore the fascinating process of how Tesla builds its innovative Cybertruck. From its unique design to the groundbreaking manufacturing process, we're about to dive on an exciting journey into the world of Cybertruck creation. So join us as we uncover the secrets behind this electric marvel that's changing the way we think about trucks and transportation. At the core of this extraordinary vehicle, you'll find Tesla's innovative Giga casting process. It's what gives the Cybertruck its robust structure. The vehicle's exterior shell is a striking stainless steel exoskeleton that turns heads wherever it goes. But what ties everything together are some truly fascinating components. Two primary Giga castings form the Cybertruck's underbody structure, similar in design to the die-cast frame sections used in the Model Y, but on a much grander scale. These colossal casting machines exert a staggering 9,000 tons of clamping force, making them even mightier than their Model Y counterparts. The aluminum alloy Giga castings provide structure around the wheel wells and shape the outer rails of the vehicle frame from front to back. Interestingly, most of these Giga castings are hollow between the wheel wells, with very little material running from left to right. The structural assembly that handles this complexity lies between the two castings. Now let's talk about the cabin structure. It's constructed from pieces of stamped steel and bears a resemblance to how Tesla builds their other unibody cars, like the Model Y. These stamped parts are made from a combination of conventional steel, high-strength steel, and ultra-high-strength steel. They provide rigidity around the door frames and ensure the vehicle remains solid from floor to roof. Just like the Giga castings, the cabin structure has empty spaces inside, which is managed by a different structural assembly. The Cybertruck production line is spread across 2 floors. Lighter stamping operations take place on the upper floor, while heavier casting procedures happen below. Tesla uses special elevators to seamlessly move the Cybertruck body between these 2 levels. Now, about that iconic exoskeleton. The Cybertruck's exoskeleton is crafted from sheets of stainless steel, but Tesla hasn't disclosed the precise details of their proprietary alloy. What we do know is that it's a 300 series stainless steel, cold-rolled to a thickness between 1 and 2 millimeters. This type of stainless steel is known for its corrosion resistance, strength, and ease of maintenance, precisely what Tesla boasts for the Cybertruck. However, shaping this stainless steel can be challenging. While it can be bent, it cannot be stamped, making intricate curves impossible. But the Cybertruck's design beautifully marries the external exoskeleton with the internal structure, creating a level of rigidity that's unparalleled in the world of vehicles. Tesla's attention to detail doesn't stop at the Cybertruck's structure. It extends to the very curves and angles of its stainless steel panels. The front end, in particular, boasts slight curves in the front lid, both on the top and front plates. This isn't just for looks. It serves 2 critical purposes. Firstly, it enhances aerodynamics, helping the Cybertruck glide through the air with reduced resistance. Secondly, it adds strength by introducing tension, preventing the steel from collapsing inward under weight or impact. Additionally, Tesla incorporates shallow angle bends into the longer side panels and shells of the Cybertruck. These subtle bends further boost the steel's strength and rigidity. Now, let's delve into something equally exciting: how you can invest in sustainable energy through Climatize. Investors on the Climatize platform have already committed over $1.5 million in funding for solar energy projects in 2023. And here's the fantastic part: you don't need a massive sum to get started. You can begin investing in sustainable energy with as little as $10. Plus, there are no investor fees attached. It's a crowdfunding style model that empowers anyone to be a part of the green energy revolution. If you're curious to learn more, you can click the link below or visit climatize.com Tesla Space to get started today. It's important to note that I'm not a financial advisor or an expert of any kind. I'm here to explain things and let you draw your own conclusions. It's always a good idea to consult with a professional before making significant financial decisions. Now, back to the fascinating world of Cybertruck production. One intriguing aspect is how Tesla constructs the front and rear subassemblies as self-contained units, similar to the unboxed manufacturing process showcased at Investor Day. Different parts of the vehicle are created separately but in parallel, and they come together seamlessly later. These subframe assemblies are built on what appears to be an aluminum casting, colored black for likely corrosion resistance. These subframes are loaded with critical drivetrain components, including the drive unit assembly, axles, brakes, and steering actuators. Each wheel boasts its own electric motor, much like the setup in the Tesla Semi. Speaking of the electric motor system, the Cybertruck combines permanent magnet and induction power, akin to the Tesla Semi. The Cybertruck has one permanent magnet engine in the front and two induction motors in the rear. This setup allows the rear axle to disengage when cruising, with the front motor handling propulsion in dual motor configurations. When it's time for assembly, these subframe assemblies are brought together from below to fill the hollow voids in the Giga castings of the internal skeleton. It's a meticulous process that ensures the strength and integrity of the Cybertruck's structure. In parallel to the main assembly, Tesla is busy constructing the structural battery pack for the Cybertruck, using 4680 cells manufactured in-house at Giga, Texas. This battery pack follows a similar construction process to the first Model Y structural pack, simplifying the interior build, especially since the Cybertruck doesn't have a carpet to install. Let's continue our journey through the intricate world of Cybertruck construction. It's not just about metal and structure. Glass plays a significant role too. While all Teslas use ample glass, the Cybertruck takes it to the next level. In fact, the Cybertruck windshield holds the title of being the single largest piece of automotive glass globally. It's specially formulated in-house by Tesla for maximum strength and durability. Remember the steel ball incident? Well, fear not, because baseballs bouncing off the Cybertruck's glass don't seem to do any harm. The windshield and the roof glass contribute significantly to the Cybertruck's torsional strength, making the roof incredibly robust. While rollovers are rare in Teslas, it's reassuring to know that the Cybertruck is engineered to handle even the most extreme scenarios. Moving on to the exterior, the large stainless steel panels that grace the front and rear quarters complete the Cybertruck's distinctive look. Inside the truck bed, steel panels are pre-sprayed with a carbon composite bed liner before they're integrated into the truck bed. Now, let's talk doors, the front lid, and the tailgate. These components are assembled separately and in parallel. They're intriguing because they consist of multiple pieces, combining stainless steel exteriors with aluminum interiors. While Tesla hasn't revealed all the technical details, they do mention that laser welding plays a significant role in bringing these pieces together. Once these components are attached, we're essentially looking at a finished Cybertruck. The final touches include adding plastic parts for the wheel wells and bumper covers, along with the interior finishing and wiring. Overall, this streamlined and meticulous process should result in a vehicle that's not only unique and robust, but also efficient to manufacture. Now, we eagerly await to see how this process unfolds in the real world, as Tesla continues to pave the way for a more sustainable and innovative future. So, what features or advancements are you most excited about when it comes to the Tesla Cybertruck, and how do you think it will impact the future of electric trucks and transportation? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.